Good morning everybody, Agil here from Keys on Wheels. Today we're working on this beast Maserati GranCabrio 2016. Our customer has one original working key which works perfectly fine. That's the original one, you can see that's the logo, and that is a new one, aftermarket, good quality one. So yeah, this is original key and we did make a spare key for this one. We'll just test them one by one. That is the original key. We are in the car. Original key working, and that is our spare aftermarket key. That's all working. And then locking, unlocking the car. That's the original key. All working. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.